Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to see about this smart water heater. So come on, let's see what it is. In this 2026, are you still buying this kind of big water heaters and installing it into your bathroom and spending so much money, or else wasting your LPG gas for making a hot water? So hereafter you don't want those kind of things. So this smart water heater will make your job very easy. So I'll explain how it will work. So guys, this is how the water heater will look like, and you have to just hammer two nails onto the wall. So that is the big thing you want to do. Other than that, it's everything easy only. So you can see I have already hammered two nails onto the wall near to the plug. So you have to make sure that the power cable of this water heater is in a reachable distance to the plug. So you should hang it onto the wall like how I am doing, and you should attach it onto the plug, and don't switch on the plug now. So just insert it into the plug. That's enough for now. Along with the water heater, they will provide this kind of water tube. The one end of the tube you should customize as per your tap's mouth, and you should attach the another end of the water tube to the water heater like how I'm doing in this video. So you should attach it to the water heater firmly like how I'm doing, and the another end which you customized as per your tap's mouth should be attached to the tap like this. So do it properly, and now you can turn on the tap. So you can see the water will starts flowing out of the water heater. So by this you can understand the connection has been properly established. So by this tube the water is sent into this machine, and after spending some time inside the machine it will comes out as a hot water we expect. So the outflow speed of the water can be adjusted by increasing or decreasing the tap's speed. So during this time, I mean when the water is flowing out of the water heater, now you should turn on the machine. Now you can see there is two indication lights by which you can understand now the machine has been switched on. So within the 10 seconds of switching it on, you will start receiving the hot water without any limitations because we have directly connected it to the tap. So as far the tap provides water to this machine, it receives the water and eat it and sent out as a hot water for us. So this will be this much useful. Also you can adjust the temperature. So now if you want much more hot water means you can keep the tap's speed in a slow manner, so that the water will spend some time inside the machine before it comes out, so that water will be much hotter. Also if you need the water to be in a mild temperature, not that much hot, means you can increase the water tap's speed, by which the time spent inside the machine will be less, so that the water comes out in a mild temperature. This is how you can adjust the temperature as per your needs. Guys, you see how much beneficial this water heater will be for your daily purpose. So it just costs around 1500 to 5000 in the market, but I just suggest you don't buy that much costly variant, I mean that 5000 rupees variant, because all in the same mechanism only. So this actual cost is like around 1500 only, and for the extra 1000 rupees they charge for this setup. This is a extra safety feature which will automatically cut this power supply if there is any much variance in the power supply to this machine. So it's for extra safety purpose to protect this machine. So you can see here that lever is available. So this will get shut down automatically if it feels any changes in the power supply to this machine, and it will get shut down like this, and you have to manually turn it on and you can use it again. So this is very handy for your winter time. It's already winter season started in India, so you can buy this product and get benefited from this. So in next video I will come with any other interesting idea. Bye guys.